Lekki is one of the fastest growing community here in Lagos and Nigeria at large. In this community, we have a lot of government projects like the airport, the Lekki-Epe Port, Dangote Refinery, Alaro City, and so many other government projects in this community. And as a real estate investor, if you are yet to position yourself in this community, then you need to start now. And also, if you have positioned yourself and you just own residential properties, then your real estate portfolio is yet to be complete. You also need to invest in commercial properties. Hello, my name is Jacinta, and I'm right here in one of our commercial property, Tiwa Commercial Hub. This beautiful property is directly facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway and is a government allocation land. This property is perfect for your business, and the type of business that you can own here, you can choose to have a warehouse, cinema, office spaces, complexes, and so many other businesses that you want to do in this property. There are a lot of advantages of owning commercial real estate, but I'm going to mention a few. One, it has higher return on investment and cash flow because most of the properties are for business purposes. Two, it is easier to increase the value of the property. Three, it has lesser turnover because it is more of long leases. Four, you can also have fewer problematic tenants. We have 500 square meter and 1,000 square meter. With a deposit of 7 million naira, you can secure a plot or more in this commercial hub and spread it within 12 months. For more enquiries about this property, kindly call us on 090 1259 4511. Also follow us on our social media pages, our Facebook and Instagram and YouTube at Jenny Properties. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and turn on your post notification. Also remember, assets equals wealth. Till I come your way next time, do have a wonderful day.